Hi everyone. Here I'm just going to tell you about the food recipe scraper. Okay, which is actually really amazing. That you can scrape a lot of recipes in just one click. Okay, so here is some categories: trending recipes, or popular, quick and easy, healthy, editor's pick, and new. Okay, so you can select any of it from. Okay, and after that you just have to hit the run button. Okay, software will just open up the Chrome browser. Okay, so make sure you have installed the Chrome browser on your system. Okay, so what software will do, software will just navigate to food.com/recipes and select your category from the food.com, and after that it will be scrape almost up to 30 recipes, okay, along with their ingredients and their reviews and all these things. Okay, so as it just selected healthy. Okay, so it's just loading more recipes. Okay, so now it's on the first recipe. Okay, which is award-winning chili, and it's opening the detail of that recipe. Okay, so now it's on second. So let me just show you in the output folder here. Okay, so here is the subfolders with the category and time and date. So we are looking for the healthy. So here is the first recipe that has been saved. Okay, let me just show you. Here is the recipe URL. Okay, and this dish name, the reviews in time required, and you can serve it to 6 persons. And here is the recipe ingredients. Okay, and here is a very important nutrition information, and here is the direction, the steps that you have to follow for this recipe, and this is the image for the recipe. Okay, so you can go to this URL, or you can just download this image for the recipe. So that's it.